After riding high on success on Ek Villain, we have Siddharth Malhotra right here. Siddharth, tell me your association with Taiwan Excellence.
Yes, here to support Taitra. They have some great innovative products today, which we saw. I was not aware that half these products are made in Taiwan. So I think which is very interesting and unique as a consumer. So that's the reason I'm here. I think we all have this notion that products in the West are the best, and they're the only of high quality. But in the last decade, things have changed. We see products like these, which are made in the East, in a country like Taiwan, which are very innovative, which are very practical, and very user-friendly, and of great quality. So why not promote it and be aware of it? And that's exactly what I'm here for. Because I don't feel that we have such innovative products in the West. And in a country like India, which we at times were obsessed by those products, I think today times have changed and we should support and promote these products.
Right. And you were just gifted a bicycle. Are you actually going to ride them?
Yes, I was so excited to see that foldable bicycle, which you can fold and carry. It's a portable one. That they were sweet enough to gift me one. So now I wish I would have praised a car or a plane, and they would give me a Taiwanese thing. But I think whenever I would get the chance, I think it's a great portable device to carry around. And I like cycling, I like fitness, and hopefully we'll have a culture in Mumbai that we can cycle around.
I think we will spot you someday, our photographers.
Exactly, cycling is like. Yeah.
Siddharth, tell me, in terms of gadgets, like how often do you change your phones or, you get new stuffs in the house?
Of course, times like these, we're all surrounded by technology. When you're busy, to save cost and time, vis-a-vis, I remember I used to keep using my iPads or iPhone to pay my bills. It saves times. Somebody like me who stays alone in a city, there's great practical use for it. You can have internet anywhere and everywhere that you want. And you have to keep updating at times. It's up to you. Or getting.
You update.
I do. I would like to. I do. I sometimes I feel suddenly. I think it's a mental psyche of a consumer. Suddenly something new comes up. You feel that your phone has become slower,
right.
So you want to get the new one. I think half yearly. I think every 6 months or something. If I do find a product which is better than I'm using or has some better features, be it in laptops, be it in like the new device of connecting your TV to your internet. I think that's very cool, and I can see YouTube videos and promos now. So I think we're surrounded by it, and if you have the facilities to avail them, and if you enjoy them, why not?
Tell me one question. Salman gifted you this watch. What was he feeling like, the day he opened his watch and actually gave you?
It was very sweet. I think it's a great gesture. Somebody like him did not need to come and make that effort or gift me that watch and just celebrate and support us. I think very few people do that. He's all heart, and I realize the reason that he's there because he's a true hero and star, even off camera. I feel the way he carries himself. And it was a very sweet gesture that he came to my house. We were very touched. We were all oddly on that night just celebrating him being in my house. And he entered in his own style and he gifted me that watch. And he says, "Congratulations, I heard you've done well."
And his voice.
So, yes, exactly. So I think in his own andas. And I have not known him so closely previously. I've only known him through Student of the Year a couple of years ago. So as I said, I only saw goodness in him that day, all heart and great encouragement from him. So hopefully he'll have many more reasons to come to my house and keep supporting me, and this will go on.
That's great. Okay, tell me one thing. I mean, tomorrow Hamiti Sharma ki Dulhan Yaar releasing your best friends. Are you going for the screening properly tonight?
I missed the previous screening. I'm probably going tonight to watch the film. I've heard great stuff. I think Alia and Varun have great chemistry, especially when it comes to romance and this kind of light, film. Alia sung also. I heard that song, which is so unique, and we told her, "Why did you learn this? Or why don't you sing in Student of the Year?" So it's great. I'm quite excited to see it either tonight or tomorrow. And best of luck to Humpty, and hopefully it is a big hit in the box office as well.
Lastly, Siddharth, when are you throwing the bash for Ek Villain?
Yes, the bash for Ek Villain. We are waiting for official numbers, as in when our producer tells us that it has done a particular number. I think for me as an actor, it's exciting that I've reached to many more people because the number is only a reflection of many more tickets being sold. So that's very exciting, and it shows that they've accepted the kind of genre that we all tried on. Hopefully we'll wait and we'll party soon this weekend or maybe next weekend. So looking forward.
Many congratulations to you.
Hi, मैं हूँ सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा and you're watching Hot Your.